Having a strong support system is important for your happiness and success. It helps you face challenges, stay motivated, and feel connected. But what exactly is a support system and how can you build one? Let's find out. What is a support system? A support system is a group of people who encourage and help you. These can be family, friends, coworkers, or mentors. They listen to you, give advice, and help you when you need it. Having people around you who care makes life easier and more enjoyable. Why is a support system important? Life can be difficult at times. When you face problems, having support helps you stay strong. It can reduce stress, improve your mental health, and boost your confidence. Support also motivates you to keep going, even when things get tough. How to build a strong support system. Start with people you trust. Begin with friends and family who have shown they care about you. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. Be open and honest. Share your thoughts and feelings with your support system. Being honest helps others understand you better and offer the right kind of help. Find new connections. Join clubs, groups, or communities that interest you. Meeting new people with similar interests can add valuable support. Offer support to others. Support works both ways. Help others when they need it. This builds stronger and lasting relationships. Communicate regularly. Stay in touch with your support system. Regular conversations keep connections strong. Set boundaries. A healthy support system respects your limits. Don't be afraid to say no or take time for yourself. Signs of a healthy support system. You feel safe and understood. People listen without judgment. Support is consistent. Not only when things are easy, you feel motivated and encouraged. Building a strong support system takes time, effort, and honesty, but the benefits are worth it. With the right people by your side, you can face any challenge with confidence. Start today by reaching out and building those important connections.